This section, we are going to learn about HTML tables. Now, the HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. A table in HTML consists of table cells inside rows and columns. If you look at here, you can see that we have table cell. Each square represents a table cell, and we have them inside column and table row. The vertical line is the column and the horizontal line is the table row. Now let's look at the syntax. The syntax starts with table and ends with table, and each table cell is defined by TD. The TD stands for table data. Everything between TD start and TD end are the content of the table cell. Now the table row. Each table row starts with tr and ends with tr tag. Tr stands for table row. Now let's use them and visualize. So first we are going to start with table start and table end. Now we are going to take a table row tr, and inside tr we are going to take table data td. We are going to take multiple data 1 and then data 2. Whatever you write here is going to be visible in your web page. Now we have only one row. What if we want two rows? In that case, we just have to duplicate it. Now you can see that we have two rows, and let's have another. Now let's just say we want a heading because we don't know what kind of data they are. To do that, we are going to use th tag. But th is going to be also inside our a table row, right? So we are going to use tr, and inside tr we are going to put the th. And now if I write column 1, you see the table heading is column 1. And if the second column is going to be called column 2. Now you can see we have the column 1 and column 2. Now we are going to learn about call span and row span. But before learning that, let me add some styling to our table so that it is easier for us to visualize. And I'm going to write style and then table, th, td, and then write border 1 pixel solid black. See, everything has been bordered right now, and border collapse is going to be collapse. Now we can visualize our table data. Now, what is call span? HTML tables can have cells that span over multiple rows and columns. To make a cell span over multiple columns, use the call span attribute. Now, if I write th call span 2, our column 2 is going to go span the first column will span over two columns. The value of call span attribute represent the number of column to span. Now we can use row span to span over multiple rows as well. Now if I remove the call span and write Row span 2. You can see that our first column is taking 2 rows. So this is how you can use call span and row span to span over multiple columns and or rows.